children, today we are going to discuss about lesson 1, one words and question answers. First of all, you learn the filling the blanks. First one, dash is located inside the skull. Dash is located inside the skull. The skull is located in the brain. Answer is brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Next one, the dash lungs is slightly smaller than the dash lungs. Which lungs is slightly smaller than the another one lungs? You have two lungs. We have two lungs. One lungs is larger, one lungs is slightly smaller. Which lungs is slightly smaller than the another lungs? First one, left lungs. Left lungs is slightly smaller than the right lungs. Is slightly smaller than the right lungs. Next one, the dash is the J-shaped organ. The internal organ of the stomach is the J-shaped organ. Stomach is the J-shaped organ. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach is a J-shaped organ. The dash are the two bean-shaped organs. Bean-shaped. In your body have inside have the internal organs. One part is kidney. The kidney has two bean-shaped organ. Okay. First kidney. Answer is kidney. The dash is hollow muscular structure located in the chest. The dash is the hollow muscular structure. Hollow muscular structure located in the chest. Which one? Muscular structure. Pumping the blood from through the one part to another part. Answer is heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart is a hollow muscular structure located in the chest. One more time repeat. First one, the dash is located inside the skull, brain. The dash lungs is slightly smaller than the dash lungs, left and right. The dash is a J-shaped organ, stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organs. The dash are two bean-shaped organs, kidney. Kidney are two bean-shaped organs. The dash is the hollow muscular structure located in the chest, heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Next one, who am I? I am the organ present inside the body. All the organs are present inside the body is called internal organ. The answer is internal organ. Internal organ. I am the organ present outside the body. Only have the many organs are found in outside. Example for hand, legs, eyes, nose also found in the outside. That organ is present outside organ is external organ. Internal organ and external organ. I am a tough tissues attached to the bones of our body. Tough tissue. Tissue is attacked in the bones of the body. It is attached from bone. Answer is muscle. Answer is muscle. Next one, I sound lub dub. Who am I? To make the sound for the lub dub sound. Which one? Make the sound from heart. H-E-A-R-T. I will make you think and work. Who am I? Think. You only think it and write any other works. Who only give it in the brain. One more time repeat. I am the organ present inside the body, internal organ. I am the organ present outside the body, external organ. I am the tough tissues attached to the bones of our body, muscles. I sound luffed up. Who am I? Heart. I will make you think and work. Who am I? Answer is brain. Next one, match the following. Match the following. First one, large intestine. Where is the answer? Connect the nerves of the body to the brain. Food get mixed with saliva here. Undigested food is passed on to this part. Large intestine have undigested food are passed to this part only. First one answer is undigested food is passed on to this part. Intestine have two intestines, small and large intestine. The small intestine have all the nutritions are absorbed from the other parts of the body. The large intestine have undigested food is passed on to this part. Okay, next one, esophagus. Esophagus is that food travel through the mouth to the stomach through this part. Food pipe. Esophagus meaning another one name is food pipe. உணவு பாதை. அது வழியா உணவு travel from the mouth to the stomach through this part. Second one answer. Third one, heart. Heart is the pumps the blood to the rest of the body. Heart is pumps the blood to another all parts of the body. For the heart, third one answer. Fourth one, spinal cord. Spinal cord, தண்டுவடம் சொல்லுவோம். Backbone side found located in the backbone side. In the spinal cord is connected the nerves of the body to the brain. Fifth one, mouth. Food get mixed with saliva here. All the food, you eat the food only mixed with the saliva. Saliva and food travel through the mouth to the stomach through this part. Okay, mouth answer is food gets mixed with saliva here. Okay, next one, define the following. Define the following. First one, excretion. Excretion, the elimination of waste from our body is called excretion. In the waste material is known as the from our eliminate the waste. Okay, example for the excretion. Excretory organs are skin and kidney. Skin and kidney. Okay, the elimination waste from our body is called excretion. Next one, digestion. The process of breaking down of food into simpler form is called the digestion. One more time tell. The process of breaking down of food into simpler forms is called digestion. சாப்பிட்ட எல்லா சாப்பாடுகள் செரிமானம் அடைஞ்சு போகிறது தான் ஆக்குறது தான் யாரு டைஜஷன் பண்ணுறது தான் செரித்தல். டைஜஷன் செரித்தல். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ரெஸ்பிரேஷன். The process of inhalation and exhalation of the air. Inhalation meaning breathe in, exhalation meaning breathe out. In the inhalation and exhalation is known as the respiration. Okay, first one, excretion. The elimination waste from our body is called excretion. Second one, digestion. The process of breaking down of food into simpler form is called the digestion. Third one, respiration. The process of inhalation and exhalation is known as the respiration. Respiration means breathing. Following question, what is inhalation? Inhalation meaning breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in air. Okay, we breathe in air through our nostrils. Nostrils meaning நாசி துவாரம். நாசி இருக்குல்ல, அது வெளியே என்ன போகுது? You breathe the air. Nostrils. If them goes to the nasal cavity. Nostril to nasal cavity. Nostrils to nostril cavity. This also nostril. Nostril come to this side, have one cavity. Nostril cavity. Next you come down to the lungs. Okay. through the nostril. It goes to the nasal cavity and further moves the trachea. Next come to the trachea. This region is tracheal region. Trachea comes to the trachea. Trachea or windpipe. Trachea or windpipe. Next come this side come to the lungs. Okay. This side have one pair of lungs, two lungs. Goes to the nasal cavity and further moves the trachea and then enters the lungs. This is called the inhalation. This is called the inhalation. One more time repeat. We breathe in air through our nostrils. It then goes to the nasal cavity and further moves the trachea and then enters the enters the lungs. This is called inhalation. Next one, what is organ system? Many organs are found in the body, okay? External and internal organ. This one, organ systems definition. A group of organ work together to perform a particular function is known as the organ system. A group of organ work together to perform a particular function is known as the organ system. Next one, name the types of organ system. Skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system, excretory system and reproductive system. For the many systems are found in the human body. Okay. Explain the function of arteries and veins in our body. Your body have two types of blood vessels. One vessel is arteries, another one vessel is vein. Okay. Arteries carry the oxygen rich blood to all the heart, to all parts of the body. Whereas veins bring the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Oxygenated blood is pure blood and deoxygenated blood is impure blood. It is more in carbon dioxide in the deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is rich oxygen is found in. Okay. One more time repeat. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body, whereas veins bring the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Okay children, thank you.